I think the birds really caught the feeling of it the moment. They wouldn't shut up. We were all screaming on the inside. It was really cool to see you guys so emotional. Alex especially. I saw a different side of you, Alex. I loved it. I congratulate both of you guys.
No, mira, algo precioso, algo bonito. Les deseamos lo mejor a la nueva pareja, ¿ok? Van a triunfar en la vida, luego se ve desde el momento de la ceremonia. Puro para arriba, chavalos.
She is. Seeing Mitzi in person just does it so much more wonder. It's really like you can't just capture her beauty online or everything. That's where the first time like I saw her through social media and just like around, but actually being able to see her, like talk to her, be up close with her, she's beautiful. It's amazing.
Pues que la amo, ya sabe. Que siempre soñé tener una hija tan hermosa, inteligente, buena, trabajadora. Y también...
Gracias a ti, ¿eh? Ay, te traje un regalo y se me olvidó. Está ahí arriba.
No te lo doy. No sabes, no, que yo te adoro. Y yo te apoyo en todo lo que quieras. En todo. Malo, súper malo. ¿Qué? La quiero, mi amor.
We met on social media initially. I've seen her around campus, high school, but we did have that close friend that was able to kind of bring us together, and then it just sparked off from there.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Because I was tasting like blueberry with like 25%.
Cheers.
Yeah, you know, it was better.
Yeah, I told you. I'm a pro at
The way they support each other, I think that's something I learned from them all the time. Just when something goes wrong or something comes up unexpected, they drop everything they can to go help the other person or whatever. They make it work no matter what.
I don't want to like this. I don't want to do too much though.